This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Melissa Ramirez. Come enjoy the quiet county living in this fully updated ranch-style home situated on 3.4 acres. As you enter the front door, you will be welcomed by the open floor plan. The kitchen has been fully renovated, including stainless steel appliances, cabinets, and granite countertops. As you walk down the hall, you will have the main bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and the master suite. On the opposite side of the home is the 4th bedroom. The 4th bedroom would be great for an in-law suite as it has its own bathroom. You do not want to miss your chance to own this home. This property has plenty of room for your toys, storage for your RV and animals. The property is set up for horses with 48 by 36 barn. The stalls are 12 by 12. Property also has 36 by 36 workshop. All windows in the home were replaced in 2020 with warranty. Call today for your private showing. For more information.